happy Friday, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair video, and I am going to be doing a full demo and review of Tracee Ellis Ross's Pattern Beauty line, the second launch, which was basically styling products. I purchased the curl gel, I purchased the styling cream, and I purchased the stronghold gel, which is more for like slicking your hair down. I think this gel is more for like a wash and go, but to test it out for the first time to see how it works, I'm going to use it with the styling cream, and I'm going to be doing a 3-strand twist out. So I haven't done one of those on here in a while, and I find that those give me a lot of definition, and they also stretch out my hair. So if that's something that you often like struggle with or want more for your hair, I would try a 3-strand twist out because it lengthens it and it gives you more definition. So before we get started, guys, I did want to let you know that the sizes that I showed you were actually the sample size that you get to purchase before getting the full size, but I'll put the price of the full size product here on the screen so you can see what it normally goes for. So I am starting out with the styling cream, and it does give you like the suggested use on the website. It says that you can apply on wet or dry hair and style or braid as you like. So I'm going to believe that this is going to work out for this. I used the Pattern Beauty brush, which is a detangling and a defining brush, and then I went ahead and applied the curl gel. Now the tip for the curl gel is to apply on wet hair for wash and goes, braids, and twist outs, or on damp or dry hair for slick looks. We're going to go with a twist out. So a 3-strand twist out very well might look like a braid at the start, but I promise you it is not. It is a 3-strand twist out. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to take the back piece of hair, or the furthest out to the left or right piece of hair, and you're going to take it over the other 2 strands. That is the motion that you will be repeating this entire time. You take the outer strand and it goes over the 2 strands. You take the outer strand and it goes over the 2 strands. You're just blending them together like a nice close-knit family. You do not want to go in the direction of a braid, which would be kind of pulling them into each other. You want one person to be reaching their arm over the other 2 people and repeating the process. So I just wanted to show you guys that even though I purchased a sample size, it is a good healthy amount that you could use before having to purchase the full size. I barely even made a dent in this curl styling cream. So, and I think it was the same for my other products. Like I definitely got 3 full uses out of them before I need to purchase the full size.
The takedown for my twist is the same every single time. You just want to be gentle. You want to almost twist backwards or untwist it before separating the hair, because if not, you will get frizz, which happens with natural hair, but I just like to minimize it. And as always, make sure that it's dry. I definitely slept overnight with these.
Guys, so this is the end of this tutorial. Like I said, I really enjoy 3-strand twists when I want to stretch out my hair and have it stretched from the moment I take my twist out. I didn't stretch my hair like I sometimes do with the pineapple method. This is just how it is straight after taking the twist out and separating them. So I do already have a little bit more length and volume than I normally would with my first step of my twist outs. And before we go, I just want to give my final thoughts on these two products. I really liked the styling gel. The curl styling cream was great, but I was so surprised at how soft my hair felt. Like when I applied this last night and it started to dry, it kind of felt like it was going to have a little bit of a stiffness to it. Not a crunch, but just stiff. And as I separated it, my hair feels very, very soft. So that lets me know that there's a lot of moisture in this. Like I said earlier, I don't think this would work for me like just a regular wash and go. I think I might need a little bit more of a hold, and I think this is a soft hold, but I'm willing to give it a try and see how it works. The styling cream, it's thick, it gives moisture, and my hair also doesn't feel like heavy. Sometimes I think moisturizing products can have that kind of finish where it's like a little too heavy on your hair and you feel it. As I'm touching it and playing with it, there's not much that's left on my hand, so that's usually a good sign that it doesn't weigh down my hair. And I really like these two products. I didn't have a problem with the pattern line the last time I used it. I think the only complaint that I have, which is a very personal one, is just I'm not the biggest fan of the scent, just for me. But it's not overbearing, and it's not something that I'm like I completely hate. So it's just, you kind of trade it off. It's like if my hair's going to look nice, I can get over the fact that I'm not the biggest fan of the scent. But I love the products. I have really no complaints. I feel like it definitely gave me more definition doing the whole gel combination with the cream than it would have just with the styling cream, and I feel like this is going to last me a few days, so I'm really excited. Thank you guys so much for watching this video again. If you like what you see, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to stick around, subscribe to my channel. I'll be back next week on Friday for a new video. Bye!